We'll start with our weather, which is much more tame, although rainy too, just lighter. Light to moderate bands moving through the mid-coast down east Maine, but we've got some heavier stuff back here. And you can see some thunderstorms in here. They probably have a hard time getting all the way here as strong thunderstorms, but maybe a quick rumble of thunder is possible as this all drives in. Mostly, though, it'll be the downpours tonight that you'll notice. And a lot of this is going to kind of pull itself towards the coast because we've got a little low that's developing here. It's not a nor'easter or anything like that, but it's a little coastal low. So it's grabbing some of this moisture and pushing it towards the Gulf of Maine. Whereas if you kind of followed that straight, it would look like it was going to go just over down east Maine, but it will kind of suck itself down to the south. Heavy downpours 8, 9, 10 o'clock tonight in through midnight over down east Maine, northern Maine as well. It's raining through tomorrow morning. And I think for a lot of us tomorrow is like today during the day, which is it's cloudy, it's coolish, temperatures only in the 50s, maybe around 60 degrees by the afternoon, and a couple of sprinkles tomorrow afternoon. But the heavy rain will happen tonight. Whatever we have tomorrow will be lighter. It's just not going to be a good looking day. In fact, it takes until Wednesday, middle of the day, to really start to see some sun, and that's over western Maine into New Hampshire. And even down east Maine and northern Maine might not get in the sun on Wednesday. And if they don't, there's another front coming on Thursday. So we could be going a long stretch here without significant sun in a lot of spots. This front on Thursday will come through Thursday morning. So there's your low and the clouds tomorrow. High pressure weakly builds in on Wednesday, keeps us dry, but doesn't give us a ton of sunshine. Then a cold front will come through on Thursday. That'll be showers and thunderstorms again. Good news is we get all of this out of the way in time for the weekend, which looks really positive at this point. Not warm, but nice enough. So rainfall all the way through these next two systems, a lot. 1.5 to 2 inches. A lot of the heaviest stuff will come tonight, and then another round of heavy rain possible on Thursday morning. There's Fiona, now a Cat 1, so winds are still at 90 miles an hour sustained. Expected to strengthen as the water temperatures here are relatively warm, and shear looks pretty good too. Into a Cat 3, and it will be close to Bermuda. It won't be close to anybody else, though. Could have some big swells. Coco, thinking about you. On Saturday, maybe some good surfing. I don't think you'll want to be swimming, but that's nice because it's actually, for a surf day around here, like reasonable, sunny and in the mid 60s. If you are swimming recreationally, big rip currents, obviously, going to be an issue.
No lifeguards.
Yeah, no.
A lot of them are done for the season.
And you know what's interesting about that is how few people you see really engage in swimming in ocean in Maine. Anyways, we went I think it was 2 weeks ago. It was a really nice day. Crescent State Park, big beach, tons of people. 10 people in the water. You know, like so that's the good news about it. It's like almost the water temp keeps people out of it anyways, but big waves this weekend.
All right.
Thanks, Keith.